Hello everyone. So today we'll be deploying a Django application on Toystack. So follow the steps. So you're going to log in with GitHub. Authorize Toystack. So I have my code on GitHub already present. So I'm going to click on import and activate repository. And this will show up all my repositories. So I'm going to choose Django application for deployment. Click on import. Then provide the port number. I'm using 8000 as my port number. Choose a plan. Proceed with payment and activation. I'm using $3 from my Toystack wallet. Go to the repository dashboard. You can also configure other build configuration settings. If you want to change the port number at any point of time, you can go and click on this edit icon and change the port number. You can give a custom domain name. You can pass env variables if present. Alright, and you can also choose the bill last time. You can pass the webhook URL. You can send alerts to this Slack URL. You can also create a remix and deactivate project at any point of time. So go to deployments now. Click on deploy from branch. Select branch. Choose the deployment validity and click on deploy. So your deployment gets initiated. You can see the status is in progress. And at any point you want to destroy the deployment, you can click on this, and if you want to cancel the deployment, you can choose on cancel button. You can view your build logs and application logs. You can also see the analytics. So it's pretty fast, right? So within few seconds your deployment is completed. You can access the deployment URL over here. You can see the ready status, which means the output is ready. So here is my Django application deployed successfully on Toystack.